Welcome to World Cyclist and Sports Car. Today we're delighted to offer to you this 1970 Jaguar E Type Series 2 4.2 litre open top. So it's a Roadster, one of less than 800 right-hand drive cars built in total. It's 1970, so it's the last year of the car before they went on to the Series 3. It's a car we've previously sold, so if you look back on YouTube, etc., you might find the car and you'll see the condition hasn't deteriorated much in the last 4 years or so since we sold it. So it's done about 78,000 miles, less than 20,000 miles in the last 40 years. It's had a new speedo, it's showing like 20,000 miles. But it's in the history file, which is with the car, as are the original book pack and everything like that. So it's an older restoration, all the details are on the website. It's stood up very, very well. It's dead straight, there's no corrosion anywhere. The panel gaps are lovely, as you can see as we're walking around the car. A few little blemishes on the car, which are very, very minor, but the restoration has held up very, very well indeed. So, Series 2, we've got the bigger lights at the back and everything like that. You'll notice these exhaust pipes, it's got the rear tailpipes have been changed, which we got done for the previous keeper. The original pipes are with the car if desired, but it looks good on those, we feel. Wire wheels, Dunlop tyres. Again, as you look around the car, look at the panel gaps. Paintwork's very, very shiny. Very few imperfections, a little bit of crazing just underneath the front bumper, you can't really see it. We'll show you underneath the bonnet in a few moments with the engine running. But overall, the car is lovely, ready to use, straight away ready to enjoy. So a proper UK right-hand drive Series 2. Hood's in good condition, all the photos are on the website. The interior, the leather's been replaced, as have the seat cushions and the diaphragms. Seat frames were sandblasted and everything. Trim is lovely. Dashboard's lovely. Static seat belts. It's just not a perfect car, it's not garage queen, but it's just in superb condition and it's clean as a whistle with no corrosion. If you look around the door frames there, bottoms of the doors there, the sills, you might be able to just see underneath the car there. Around the wheel arches and everywhere. You know, there's no corrosion anywhere, it's nicely undersealed under there, the lips are there. It's just no storage at all on this car. Again, down to the driver's footwell under the dashboard. Door cards, all the vinyl, chrome, everything's in lovely condition. The sill trims there in vinyl. Seats, headrests, so superb. It's on the button. So there we are, right-hand drive, beautiful Series 2, finished in signal red with black leather, best combination. If you're interested, give us a call on 01507 606 725 or visit the website for this video and loads and loads and loads of photos, which is www.roadsters.co.uk. Okay, so under the bonnet of the E-Type, the under bonnet area is all in lovely condition, with no corrosion. Car's running. So there we are, we'll take you for a spin down the road in it to show you it's good on the road. Okay, we'll just have a buzz across the Lincolnshire Wolds in the beautiful E-Type. So it's a Series 2 4.2 litre, up to temperature, performance is good, rates are good, engine pulls strong, no gearbox noises, no crunches. Beautiful car for a day like this in the Lincolnshire Wolds, area of outstanding natural beauty. It's like Yorkshire but smaller, less expensive if you visit the area. Lots of nice people here as well, and lots of nice cars. So there we are, brakes are good, sharp, down the gears, everything, no synchromesh or any issues at all. The car is really very on the button, very usable, ready to enjoy. It's a low mileage car, done less than 20,000 miles in the last 40 years, 78,000 miles in total, fabulous history, all the books there. There's nothing not to like about this car. Very fast for the day. So there we are. Well, we've enjoyed the little tour of the Wolds, and if you are interested in this car, please give us a call on 01507 606 725 or visit the website for this video and loads of photos on woldsideclassics.co.uk. Thanks again.